Affordable comfort at Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon. Welcome to Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the vibrant city of Toulouse, France. With its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers seeking affordable comfort. With a total of 50 rooms, Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon offers a cozy and intimate atmosphere for guests. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide all the essential amenities needed for a comfortable stay. Whether you're traveling alone or with a companion, you'll find everything you need to relax and unwind after a long day of exploring the city. Check-in at Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon begins at 11 a.m., allowing you to start your stay at your own pace. The friendly and attentive staff will be ready to assist you upon arrival, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. And with a checkout time of 11 a.m., you can enjoy a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this charming hotel. Please note that Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay, they may be subject to extra charges. We recommend contacting the hotel directly for more information regarding their child policy, as well as any additional charges that may apply. Rest assured, the hotel's staff will be more than happy to assist you with any queries or concerns you may have. Experience the perfect blend of affordability and comfort at Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon. Book your stay today and enjoy a memorable visit to the beautiful city of Toulouse, France. Unwind and relax in the serene garden of Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Hotel Premiere Classe Toulouse Nord, Lignon's beautiful garden. Nestled amidst lush greenery, this enchanting outdoor space offers the perfect setting to unwind and relax. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding pathways, breathe in the fresh air, and admire the vibrant blooms that adorn the garden.